Parcel. Here. Sit down here. Sit down. So, open mo na.
I can't. With the scissors.
Sige, with the scissor. Scissor nga itong binili ko. Sabi kasi ni teacher mo, kailangan mo daw mag-practice magunting-gunting. Huwag daw patakot sa mga bata. Bili na lang yung para sa paper lang. Para matuto ka daw mag-ganon. O, mag-ganon ng kamay.
No, mine.
Isa tayo.
Mine.
O, ito po. Dalawa yan. Do you know how? Let me see. Look at mommy's. Mommy's hand. Like this. No? Ayun yun. Ano ba? Here. Two fingers.
Open.
Yan. O, two fingers na. Two fingers. Two. Yan. Tapos close open. Close open. Ayun na, no? Close open. Ayun kasi tayong takot na hawakin ng mga batang ganun delikado. Kaya hindi na natuto. Can you do this? Do this? Look, oh. Look, mommy's hands. This is papers. Papers.
Wow.
You look at the truck like this, oh. Oh. Nagugupit siya. Paper lang. Paper lang naman nagugupit.
Eat again.
Oh, may ano ka pa. Dapat i-trace it. Trace mo yan. Baka magunting mo naman. Di marunong. Tago ko muna yung iba.
Hey.
So many. May animals, may fruits, may vehicles, may leaves. Yan. Tapos mga sasak, mga birds. Ano yan? Cars. Ano
Come on.
dami na din pala. Saan lang 120. Wow, ang galing! Very good! Ayaw ba? Hindi, hindi ko yung trabaho. Kaya nagupit nito sa taas. Use your one hand. Sabi ni teacher, nung nag-try siya gamitin yung hands mo. Malambot naman daw yung hands mo. Oh, yan. Yan. Tapos, wait lang. Oh, ano lang, magaan lang, magaan. Wait. Yan. Ah, nagupit mo! Ano yan? Dito ay siya. Again, do it. Ito, wow, kailangan straight pa lang kaya siya. Hindi pa na kaya magliko-liko. Pero at least man mo siya. Sige nga, go nga. Go nga. Sige, go, go. What color do you like? Purple, yellow, or blue?
No.
Delete. Let's be together. Let's cut the paper together.
My eyes is very big.
Oh, it's very big. Your eyes is very big. Wow. Oh. Where's your nose? Where is your nose?
It's big. It's small.
Where's your teeth? It's ugly teeth. Where's your eyebrows? Very good. Where's
Very big.
Oh wow, it's very big. Where's your ears? Show me your ears. Where is it? I can see it. Oh, there it is. Ah! How many ears do you have? I have 2 ears. 1, 2. Let's cut the papers now. Come on. Oh, wow. I have an easy paper to cut. Let's cut the flower together.
No, that's a weed.
Oh, sorry. Mommy is wrong. It's a leaf. Leaf, not leaves. Okay, come here. Let's cut it together forever. From TikTok. Well, how many kids does it have? I think 100. And 2 scissors. Yeah, pwede siya for under 3 years old. So, ayun. Kung walang magawa yung mga toddlers ninyo dyan, kabalit. Certainly, kung meron lang yan ng baby siya ngayon, bumili na ako. If only I knew it. But I don't, ito lang naman yung sinabi ng teacher niya na paghawakin ng gunting. Kasi takot ako sa hawakin ng gunting ng anak ko. Pero sabi ng teacher, huwag daw tayong matakot. Kasi doon daw sila nag-explore. Sila natututo. Pag talaga natin pinagbabawalan, hindi matututo.
I can do it.
I can do it. Tamad kasi yung anak ko, mahawak ng pencil and crayons. Mahawak siya saglit. Tapos, after 5 minutes, ayaw na. Nag-board na siya. Okay na yun sa kanya. Like, I don't know, ano ba bang kailangan kong bilhin? Ano ba kailangan kong matutunan? Ano pa? Ito na yung anak, boys. So, ano madali? Mukha na yung mahirap ang newborn. Diyos ko, hindi. Napakamadali yung newborn. Mas madali pang makuyat.
Ding.
Tignan nyo? Nababay ko na. Ayun na, let's study. Let's study this.